All right, so that's Zander, my son. What? His door came off. The track we put in a year ago.
About a year ago.
A
A little over a year.
little over a year and a half. You can check back in the video archives if you want. We do have a video on it. That track did not hold up. Ended up getting distorted, and the door fell off. So we got a new track. We time-lapse us figuring our way through getting it put up. It's the first time either of us have put this type of track system in, and it works pretty well. I don't know the manufacturer of this particular track offhand. Zander's just cleaning up some of our tools, but there is some issues that I have with it. The first one is right here. Our stopper sits so far out from our mount that it gives a little bit of a creak and makes us a little uncomfortable.
Don't leave the hole.
So I think if you're going to have a full 8-foot or 4-foot door, 8-foot span, it would probably be a good idea to machine in another anchor hold closer to both ends. I think they're 16 inches in, and that's just, it doesn't give us a lot of comfort on the door. So it's probably going to sit there. The other thing that took us a lot of issue is this is a 2-piece rail, which made it a pain in the butt to try to get level with both pieces. We ended up leveling one and then gauging the other one off of it, and it's not quite right. But it works.
The stopper works pretty well.
And the back stopper is almost right at that anchor point on the backside, and it is pristine. It works great, as you can tell. The other thing is these rubber stoppers. I might get my Dremel out and trim them a little bit because the door wants to jump over on the backside. You might not be able to hear it in the video, but there's a distinct jump when it hits a trail. The other thing is when it hits that bolt, it's natural stop. So there's enough. Overall, I'd give this what? 3 out of 5? 3 out of 5. I've talked to other people, including my parents, who have used similar setups, but all of their setups have a solid rail and not a 2-piece. So I think I'm going to talk to them about their setup for the one we're going to put in our kitchen. I definitely don't want to deal with a 2-piece setup. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. If you've ever used one of these, let us know. And get out, grow some today. God bless you.